In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace something in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a simple, non-destructive workflow to isolate a subject so you can change what's behind it later. Open Affinity Photo and load the image you want to work on. To make sure what you're seeing is accurate, switch to Pixel View at the top. This shows you the true pixel output, which is especially helpful for judging edges and fine detail while you work. Next, head to the left toolbar and choose the Selection Brush tool. This is a paint to select tool, which means you simply brush over areas you want included in the selection. For our example, we're going to change the background behind a person, so start by selecting the person. Use a brush size that matches the detail you're working around. You can quickly adjust the brush size with the bracket keys. If you accidentally grab too much, hold the modifier to subtract from the selection and paint it away. Zoom in around hair, fingers, and other intricate edges to stay accurate, and lower brush hardness slightly near soft transitions so the selection feels natural. Take your time here. The cleaner the selection, the better the final result. Once the subject is cleanly selected, add a mask layer and place it inside the subject's image layer. With the selection active, the mask will preserve the person and hide everything else. If the mask appears as a separate layer, simply drag it onto the subject's layer until it nests. This is non-destructive, so you can refine at any point. Paint on the mask with a soft brush. Black conceals, white reveals. If you see halos or missed spots, nudge the mask edges with gentle strokes instead of altering the original photo. At this stage, your subject is isolated and the background is hidden, giving you the flexibility to replace or adjust it without touching the person. This setup keeps your workflow tidy, reversible, and consistent from start to finish.